Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to use the screen recorder and video editor software's website. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this tool has everything you need to create amazing videos. Let's get started. Hi everyone, in this video, we'll explore the powerful features of the screen recorder and video editor software's website. From downloading the software to mastering its features, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, let's visit the website. When you land on the home page, you'll notice it's clean and user-friendly, making it easy to find what you need. At the top, you have the main menu with options for home, features, pricing and support. Let's start by exploring the features section to see what this software offers. Here, you can see a detailed list of features. The software combines screen recording and video editing in one platform, making it perfect for creating tutorials, gameplay videos, presentations, and more. Some standout features include high-quality screen recording, customizable recording settings, multi-track editing, transitions, effects, and even a built-in media library with music and images. As you know, Wondershare DemoCreator launched a new version, DemoCreator 8. The new version is on another level. We're talking about easier ways to box highlight subtitles, remove background object, change voices and many other things. Believe me, you don't want to miss this. To get started, let's install the software. Head over to the Install section. Choose your operating system, Windows or Mac, and click Here button. Also, link available in the video description. After installation, launch the software. The interface is designed to be intuitive, with a dashboard that gives you quick access to both screen recording and video editing. Let's start with screen recording. First up, screen recording. DemoCreator allows you to capture anything on your screen with just a few clicks. You can record your entire screen, a specific window, or a custom area. Plus, you can add a webcam feed to personalize your videos. Need to highlight important points during your recording? DemoCreator's got you covered with real-time screen drawing tools. Draw, annotate and highlight in real time to make your videos more engaging and informative. Once you're set, hit the record button. The software will start capturing everything on your screen, and you can use the toolbar to pause, stop, or annotate your recording. Now let's move on to editing. Once you stop recording, your video automatically opens in the built-in editor. DemoCreator's editor is packed with features to polish your footage. The timeline at the bottom allows you to trim, split, and arrange your clips. You can also add transitions, effects, and even green screen effects to make your video stand out. Adding transitions and effects is simple. Just drag and drop it between two clips. DemoCreator offers a variety of transitions to choose from, ensuring a smooth flow between scenes. Need to add titles or captions? No problem. You can also add text, captions and titles to make your video more engaging. Just click on the Text tab, choose your style, and customize it to fit your video. This is great for creating intros, outros, or highlighting important information. One of the coolest features is the green screen effect. If you've recorded with a green screen, you can easily replace the background with any image or video of your choice. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your masterpiece. Click on the Export button, choose your desired format and resolution. You can export your video in various formats, including MP4, MOV, and GIF. Plus, there are presets for popular platforms like YouTube. making it easy to share your content with the world. And there you have it. Wondershare DemoCreator is an all-in-one solution for screen recording and video editing. It's packed with features, yet simple enough for anyone to use. Whether you're making tutorials, gameplay videos, or presentations, DemoCreator has everything you need to create professional quality content. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity with Wondershare DemoCreator today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and reviews on the best content creation tools. Thanks for watching and happy creating.